Welcome to Accelerated Engineering. My name is John. Today I'm going to look at the question requested of me on Quora. How do I calculate several values in a single cell to another cell in Excel? For example, in cell A1, I have two values of 250 and 350. I need these two numbers as the sum value of cell A5. And I'm assuming that this means I need that these two numbers summed with the value returned in A5. It's a good question when we have data that's been clumped together, hopefully by somebody else and not ourselves, then we still need to work with it. There's a couple of ways to do this. The first way that I would like to look at is using the text split function. And using text split allows us to take the value held in A1 and then break it apart based on whatever character is separated in our numerical values. In this case, it's a semicolon, so I am going to use a semicolon as a delimiter. And there, this breaks apart the numbers. Now I can take that function and, well, actually, it's the outputs of text split are always text. So I need a way to convert these into numbers first. I can do that by, a common method is using two negative signs in order to sort of prompt Excel to making this a number. I prefer to use a 1 times the output of text split, and now Excel recognizes that these are numbers. I'll take this and wrap it with the sum function. I'm sure you already know how to do, and I get my answer output just like that. This is useful for doing more values than just 2, of course, as long as they're always separated by the same character. If there are more characters being used to separate values, then more work needs to get done in order to break things apart. Just revert this back. Another way that this could be performed is using a data split. Under the Data tab in Ribbon, we can use text to columns, and this function will allow, upon selection of a delimited text and then selecting semicolon, as I've already done, it will just break this text apart for us. Instead of having to do it with a function, I can have these broken apart. Of course, this no longer works. But now I would just take the sum of all the cells that I was interested in, go, and we get the same result. So that's two ways that this can be done, either by using the text join, either using the, not text join, using the text split function and then summing all the values together, or by using the text to columns function within Excel. And that concludes my answer to this question. Thanks for the question. I hope that you are having a great day, and may all of your engineering be accelerated.